And what's that a picture of?
A cat.
A what?
Cat.
I thought it was a squirrel.
It's a squirrel cat, Mom.
Oh, and what's he doing?
He's looking for some food.
Really?
Yes.
And then what's he gonna do?
He's gonna eat all of the rabbits and mouses and chickens and cows and pigs. And he's at the farm, but I don't care if he around.
What is that you're drawing now?
A farm.
Oh, that's the farm. Cool. Is that the fence to the farm?
Yep. And the fence is falling off of the farm. They have all the pieces, and he's going inside of the farm.
Really?
I want to color the grass.